We're now in the CNC milling area. We have 10 Haas machining centers that we've invested in, all multi-axis capable. So those complex geometries, 3, 4, and 5-axis milling, all done in this area. In addition to the DMUs, we also have all of these 10 Haas machining centers with multi-axis capabilities. Here we have a bolt-on 5-axis trunnion that allows us to manipulate the parts all different ways to access 5 different sides and machine all of those geometries. This is where we get into the complex milled geometries, multi-axis milling that we get into. We do 3, 4, and 5-axis milling here. Behind me are our showcase machines, the DMU 50s. These are our newest machines and most capable. They have the largest work envelope of the machines that we have here, and it's where we get into those really complex geometries. So this would be a great example of a product that utilizes our 5-axis milling capabilities. This part here started as a raw aluminum block that you see here, and then with just 2 operations was able to get to the state that you see here with not a flat surface in sight. Very complex geometries, all milled in 2 operations. This is a great example of a 5-axis operation, and you can see the progression of the parts as they move through their respective operations. And this is a pretty typical workflow. You would start with a raw piece of material, then you would move over to the first roughing operation. This part moved a little bit on us because of the size and geometries, so we actually did have to get that extra operation in there to help it return to its original and specified shape. It's progressively getting more defined, and then towards the end here you see it removed from all of its support structure and holding structure more towards the finished product. And then you get a heat treated component here, which, by the way, we also do in-house heat treat here, so it doesn't need to be sent out. And then you would get to the ultimate finished product of a glass beaded and final finished product.